Hello everyone, this is a guide how to install masternode on local PC. This is a hot wallet manual. You have to use the computer with Windows 10. Windows 7 and 8 is also acceptable, but I advise you to use Windows 10 for for your privacy. And you also have external IP address rented from your internet service provider. So just be sure that you have one, and you have a computer with Windows that is able to work in the 24 hours and in 7 days, so it must be non-stable working. And also you have to purchase 1001 or more coins, NYX coins, on the exchange. And also you need a NYX wallet for Windows. I'm gonna show you how you can download and install it. So refer to the next step. This is our plan. First of all, we will download our wallet for Windows and make NYXCOIN file and masternode conf files. And third and second step, we will start our masternode, and third step, we will install the Sentinel. Okay, at first we have to go to NYXCOIN website, and we need to download the Windows wallet. Choose the one that you need, if your Windows is 32-bit or 40 or 64-bit. Okay, it's gonna be downloaded. Extract files here. Okay, now you have 4 files. Copy that files, and I'm advise you to copy it to D drive. All the manual is based on that thing, that all files on the D drive in the folder NYX. Okay, paste. Okay. The next step is we are launching the wallet. If this message show up, just press more info and run anyway. I'm advise you to use a custom folder for your data directory. That will be better. Just D drive NYX, create the folder database, and choose that folder here, NYX database. Select folder. Actually, you can use any folder or even default folder, but all the manual is based on that you choose the database folder. It will be more comfortable for you to find any files like your wallet date file or configuration files. It will be more comfortable to find it. And if there will be anything with your Windows, then you can just erase your C drive, and all the files will be keeping on D drive in safety. So now your NYX wallet is creating wallet.dat file. This file is your wallet file. It's very important. So after creating, I advise you to copy it to some external drive, so all your coins will be in safe in that case. Okay, wait for creating that file. Doesn't take too much time. almost done. Just a few more seconds. Okay, this is the main interface of your control wallet. Now it is start synchronizing with the network. So we have a time to make some setup. First of all, I advise you to show master nodes tab. Go to settings, options, and then go to wallet and click the enable. Oh, sorry. Click to wallet, show master. Okay, it's already here. Master nodes tab. If it doesn't show up, then go to settings, options, wallet, and click on show master nodes tab. Okay, and it will ask for reboot your wallet. Just close it and open that file again. Okay. The next step is we have to get our address for the master node. Copy and go to tools, debug console, and paste here. Okay, this is our address for the master node. We have to send exactly 1000 coin to that address. So copy and run notepad and mark it as master node address. Okay. Next step, we have to generate masternode key. This is your private key. You don't have to tell anyone that key. This need to be pasted in your conf files. So first of all, it will be better to wait until all the synchronizations will be done. It show up now 7 days behind. So just a little bit, 6 days. Okay, I'll wait until the end and come back later. Okay, our wallet is synchronized now, so we can go to file and choose receiving addresses. This is the first address where you should send 1001 coin or more from the exchange. So I'm gonna send it right now and we'll come back when the coins come. Okay. Okay, I'm send 1001 NYXCOIN from exchange to my wallet, and now it is gonna come to this address. But to run your masternode, you must have exactly 1000 NYXCOIN on this address. So we're gonna wait some few confirmations, and after that we can resend it to our masternode address. Okay, my coins have already come and the status changed from pending to available. That is mean that you can send it to your masternode address right now. Okay, to do that, go to file, receiving addresses, and copy address of your masternode. Go to send, paste your masternode address, and then the label automatically shows that it is your masternode address. So you can enter your amount 1000 NYXCOINs. Don't click this button or you will get less than 1000. Just leave it unticked and press send, and yes, and you will see that transaction is like you doesn't send anything, but it is not true because you send it to the same wallet, so it must be minus only the commission. That is fine, that is how it should be, don't worry. 1000 coins will come to your masternode address without any problems. Just you can see that 1000 is still available minus your commission. Now you have to wait until the 15 confirmations come, at least 15. To check the confirmations, you have to go transactions tab and choose this one. Here you can see how many confirmations pass. So I'm gonna come back when the 15 confirmations pass. Okay, now we can continue, and now the next step will be to generate private key. To do that, just copy that command, go to tools, debug console, and paste, enter. Okay, this is your unique private key. Copy it to the notepad, priv key, and close this window. Okay, here you can see the instructions how to send coins between the wallets. We already done this step, and now we need to get your masternode outputs. It will become available only after the confirmations of your transfer 1000 coins. So to find your masternode outputs, go again to debug console and paste enter. Okay, this is your outputs. This is one TXID. Okay, and one is your output index. Okay, TX and index. Okay, now we have to put all the data to masternode.conf file. To open that file, press the tools and open masternode configuration file. Okay, I have just remarked my real IP address from my internet service provider, and I advise you to call to your service provider and check what is your real IP address. If you don't have one, you should rent it as fast as possible, because you will unable to install your masternode on Windows if you doesn't have a real IP address. Otherwise, it will be better to use a VPS manual. Okay, hope you already have one. And at first, here is the example how it must be looks like. This is the LS name, IP, your real IP, and then port. Port is 4330. It is fixed for everyone. Your masternode private key from step 1J, and collateral output text ID and collateral output index. You have already get all this data here. So we just write the ls name. It can be any name, just like NYX masternode 1 space. Don't forget spaces, and copy your IP and port. Masternode private key space txid space and 1 is index. Index is your collateral output index from here. Okay, press file and save and close. The next step, we need to create our wallet configuration file, NYXCOIN file. So to do that, open tools, open wallet configuration file, and copy this blue text and paste here. You have to edit this with your own username, like my Nix username unique or something like that, but don't use symbols, spaces, numbers, just use a small or big alphabet, and change password like my strong password long, or any, use your own unique password, don't use my. And you have to, next step, you have to input your real IP address, paste here, and your private key, take it from here and paste. Okay, so one more time, you have to change RPC username, RPC password, external IP, and masternode private key. Save this file and close it. Okay, this step is done, so we must reload our NYXCOIN wallet so it can pick our NYXCONF and masternode.conf settings. So just close it and open again. Okay, our wallet is now started and synchronized, and to start your masternode you have to go to masternode tab, my masternodes, select your masternode and press start alias. Are you sure? Yes. Okay, you have successfully started your masternode. The message shows like pre-enabled, and that means that everything has been successful, and you have to wait from 15 minutes to 1 hour, and your masternode will be working fine and the status changed to enabled. So everything will go in fine. Okay, the next step, we need to install the Sentinel. Sentinel helps you to prevent watchdog expired message in your masternode status, so it must be installed at any cost. First step, you have to download your Sentinel for Windows. Press the link and go to that folder. Okay, extract and copy these files and go to Nix folder and create Sentinel folder and paste here. Okay, now you have to show the Sentinel where is your NYXCOIN file located. Just right button click and select edit, more info, and run anyway, don't worry about that. Delete this string and copy from the manual this one. You have to show the path where your NYXCOIN file is located. If your NYXCOIN file located in another place, just input another address. But if you make all the manuals with me, then your con file will be located in this folder. So just paste file and save. Now you can close it. And now we can start it. Right button click and press run as administrator. It will be better. If it suddenly closed, don't worry, just try one more time. If it doesn't show up, then just press open. Okay, it will offer you to start the Sentinel. You have to wait 30 seconds or just press one button on your keyboard. And running Sentinel means that everything is working fine. You can just minimize the screen and your Sentinel will continue work. Okay, if you show something like this, then it's working. And one more thing I want to tell you, this is a hot wallet Windows manual, so if you want your masternode working fine, just do not close your NYX core software and do not close your Sentinel window. It must be working all day and all night. So just stay tuned, and that's it. Please accept my congratulations. Everything is working fine. In 15 minutes you will see the status will change to enable, and in a couple of hours you will receive your first reward. Okay, good luck and goodbye.